Hello, chemistry students. So I'm going to work out a couple of density problems here so you can see what it looks like written out, because I know there's a difference between the PowerPoint and seeing something written out by hand. So I'm going to start off with this first problem here, which is very similar to another one you may have already watched, but I changed the numbers a little bit. Same thing for this other one we're going to do as well. So they ask us, what is the mass of the cube? So the unknown here is going to be the mass. If you just want to do M, that's fine. The known, not trying to make you write a ton of stuff. The known or knowns, so we know the volume equals 3.32 centimeters cubed. And the density is 6.95 grams per centimeter cube. All right, our plan, we have mass, volume, and density. We know two of the three, so we can use the density equation. So D equals M divided by V. And then when we solve, we're going to plug in what we know in place of those variables. So we know 6.95 grams per centimeter cubed. So density equals mass divided by volume. We don't know mass, but we do know volume is 3.32 centimeters cubed. All right, so to isolate M, that's what we want to solve for. To isolate M, let's try cross multiplying, and so that'll give us 6.95 grams times 3.32 centimeters cubed. And that's equal to M times centimeters cubed. All right, and to get M completely by itself, we can divide by centimeters cubed. And then we can cross out the centimeters cubed where they cancel out. So that will give us a situation where we need to multiply 6.95 times 3.32. All right, and when we do that, we get, looks like 23.074. And I'll round to three significant figures. Because those each had three significant figures as well. And that's probably a good place for you to go. It's about three significant figures most of the time. And if you know the specific significant figures rules, then you can be a little more particular than that. But for right now, we will not. Okay. Here's a second problem. We got a brass bar with a density of 8.69 grams per centimeter cubed, has a mass of 45 grams. What is the volume of the brass bar? So unknown, we want volume. Knowns, density equals 8.69 grams per centimeter cubed. And mass equals 45.0 grams. All right, we have volume, density, and mass. We know those are related by the equation D equals M over V. And then when we solve, we'll plug into that equation. So 8.69 grams per centimeter cubed. And that's going to be equal to 45. Divided by the unknown volume. So let's do this cross multiply thing again. 8.69 times, oh, there's a grams there, times V equals 45.0 grams times centimeters cubed. And then one more step to isolate the V is to divide by 8.69. And we'll notice that those cancel out. The grams here cancel out, and that'll leave us with centimeters cubed, which is what we wanted to solve for. And then we'll need to do in our calculator 45 divided by 8.69. So let's do that. All right, and that looks like it gives us about 5.18 once you round. All right, so that's how you would work those problems out. Thanks for watching.